Hey everyone, are you ready to kickstart your weight loss transformation, but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share simple, practical, and sustainable tips to help you start and stay on track with your weight loss journey. Let's get started. First things first, set realistic goals. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Instead of aiming to lose 20 pounds in a month, focus on smaller, achievable targets like 1-2 pounds per week. This will keep you motivated and prevent burnout. Nutrition plays a huge role in weight loss. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of veggies. Cut down on processed foods and sugary drinks. Remember, small changes add up. Try swapping soda for water or snacking on nuts instead of chips. Exercise doesn't have to be intimidating. If you're just starting, go for a 30-minute walk, try bodyweight exercises, or follow a beginner-friendly workout routine. The key is consistency. Find an activity you enjoy, and it won't feel like a chore. Staying motivated is tough, but tracking your progress can help. Take before and after pictures, write down your achievements, and celebrate small wins. Find a support system, whether it's a workout buddy, an online community, or family members who cheer you on. Your mindset is everything. There will be ups and downs, and that's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. Instead of saying I messed up, say I'll do better next time. Progress, not perfection, is what matters. Now you have the tools to begin your weight loss journey the right way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what your biggest challenges. I'd love to help. See you in the next video.